welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna go ahead and jump right in. I'm starting off just combing through my eyebrows. And then I'm gonna go in with my Ico London Fat Brow Liquid Liner in light to medium. I've had this liquid liner or whatever for a while and I never used it for my brows, and now that I am, I'm so stoked. I don't know why I slept on this, because it just gives me like the lightest fill in, because my brows, as you can see, are already like pretty full, and so I don't like to do much to them. I just like a light fill, and this just does it for me. See, look at that. Cute. I love my brows. Now I'm just going in with my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 2, per usual. I always use this base, mostly because I have like the extra big tube of it, and so I just need to use it. But you can use a concealer or whatever works for you. I'm using my busted Violet Voss Flamingo eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking the shade Beach Ball. My son be playing in my eyeshadows, so, you know, I ain't catch him quick enough. So it's pretty tore up. Got his little finger indents all in it. But as you can see, I'm just packing on that shade until I get the opaqueness that I want. I'm going back into that same palette and taking the shade Oceanfront. Yep, and Avy's just letting y'all know what to do next, I guess. Anyway, I'm just taking Oceanfront and diffusing the harsh edges of Beach Ball. Then I'm going back in with Beach Ball and just bringing back some of that color that may have been lost from blending out with Oceanfront. And now I'm going back in with Oceanfront. It seems a little redundant, but I feel like you just get a really good blend when you just kind of go back and forth and try and perfect it as much as you can. Now I'm just going in and cleaning up my eyelid to prepare for cutting my crease. You don't have to do that, but I think it just, I don't know what I think. I just do it. I did it this time at least. Which, side note, funny story, this is why I always do both my eyes at the same time, because I definitely forgot to clean the eyeshadow off for my other eye. So they turned out a little different, but it was still cute.
Do I like this?
I'm going in with my ColourPop Ultra Metallic Super Shock Shadow in Banana Daiquiri and placing that right in the center of my lid. Then I'm going in with my ColourPop Ultra Glitter Super Shock Shadow in the shade Cusp and placing that on the outer and inner parts of my eye. So at first I was using my fingers to place those shades on, but it just wasn't giving it to me like I wanted it to. So I took a little brush and went back in with the same shades and just packed that on. So then I just went back in with that Violet Voss Flamingo palette and took the shade Beach Ball, and I just blended out the edges of that cusp shade on the outer corner and in the inner corner. Now I'm just going in and putting on my lashes. These are the Kiss lashes in the style Teddy. They're like my favorite lashes right now. They're just so flattering on my eyes. I love them. I love them, y'all.
Yo, what did I just do with my lash glue? Oh, right in my face.
I know I'm not the only one who'd be losing stuff and it'd be right in plain sight, just right in front of your face.
Ah!
Y'all, I knew putting on that first lash was just too good to be true. It took me like 2 seconds, literally, and that second one gave me problems. Sister was not trying to cooperate with me at all, but it's okay, because I got it. But she was trying to have me on the struggle bus, and we weren't trying to be on that bus, not today. But you guys, look how flattering those lashes are on me. Like, if y'all can't ever find them, it's because I snatched them all up. I'm priming all over my face with a Too Faced Hangover Primer, and then using the Benefits Professional just on like my cheek area. Then I'm just going in with my E.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation in the shade Vanilla. I need a tan, because what? Vanilla? That sounds real light skin. Which obviously I am very light skinned. But y'all feel me. Y'all know what I'm saying. Summer just, come on.
That is cute. It looks good.
Don't mind me. I thought my base turned out pretty good. But I'm just going to go in with my Born This Way, my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Porcelain. We're going to act like we didn't just hear the shade. I'm going to take that under my eyes, on my chin, on my forehead, my Cupid's bow. And I'm going to blend that out with a sponge. Now I'm just going in with my Kat Von D Lock-It setting powder in translucent, and I don't know why I just used that itty bitty amount to just peed me off, but I did end up going back in and like using a little bit more. Still not enough, but a little bit more, and I also set my smile lines.
Where do my stuff be up? In front of my face.
Do y'all hear them classics though, baby? Anyway. Now I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution Fast Base Stick Foundation in F14, and I'm just gonna contour the normal places, my cheekbones, my forehead, my jawline, you know.
Hello.
You record?
Yes, I am.
Huh?
Yes.
Alright, never mind.
What's up, baby?
I had to ask you something.
So ask me something.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I forgot to tell y'all in the beginning of this video not to pay my edges any mind. They look a hot mess. I am learning how to do them. And how do you do your makeup around your edges? Like, how do you snatch a forehead with the edges in the way? Like, how do you do that? I don't know. Now I'm just going in with that brush that I used for foundation and taking a little bit of the leftover foundation just to blend the harsh edges of my contour. Now I'm just going in with my Pacifica Cherry Gold highlighter and blush duo, and I'm taking the blush shade. It's called Cherry Spirits. I'm setting my face with my Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder. I'm not sure the shade because it's not next to me right now, but that's what I'm using to set my face. Okay, now I'm bronzing, and to do that, I'm gonna go in with my Gigi Gorgeous The 6 Sculpt Bronzer in Extra. Oh, do y'all see the skin just beaming? I mean, that blush had a little bit of like a reflecting whatever in it, but that skin! I'm just taking a baby wipe and wiping all that product off of my lips before I go in and line them. And to line my lips, I'm taking the Wet n Wild lip pencil in the shade Willow. And I'm going to fill my lips in with that lip liner as well. And I wanted more of a brown color, and that just wasn't like, that was more like my lips but better, and I wanted more of like a brown. So I took an eyeshadow, like a brown eyeshadow, and I just dabbed that on my lips. Then I just used my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara for my top lashes. Going back into that Flamingo palette, I took the shade Beach Ball and placed that on my lower lash line. And then I took the shade Oceanfront and put that right underneath Beach Ball. Basically the same type of thing that I did on, my eyelid. Now I'm just going in with my Ofra eyeliner in turquoise and just placing that right on my waterline. For my bottom lashes, I'm just going in with the same mascara that I used for my top lashes. I needed some gloss for this look, like desperately bad. So I took a clear gloss by, I guess the brand is Fluid, and it's in the shade Elsewhere. But obviously you guys can use any clear gloss. Okay guys, that's it for this look. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.